So I have the unit set up temporarily in here, and this is how it looks. As you can see, there are 4 displays showing temperature and time settings, and there are 4 buttons you can use to customize the parameters of the cleaning process. This button starts the heating process of the liquid inside. This button is used to set the temperature you want the liquid to reach. In this case it's 50 degrees Celsius. This shows the current temperature of the liquid, which is 46 degrees Celsius. You can customize the temperature from 1 to 80 degrees Celsius. Also, it has a very interesting function where if you set the temperature and you push the heating button, it will keep that temperature and prevent the liquid from getting cooler. So when the temperature starts to lower, it will automatically activate the heating element, and it will reach 50 degrees Celsius again. I deactivated this function because I'm at the end of the program and don't need it to maintain temperature anymore. So with the time settings, you can set the time with this button from 1 to 99 minutes, and pushing this button actually starts the ultrasonic cleaner with the set parameters, and it will indicate the remaining time, such as this. When it's working, you have an LED here, which will go off when the counter reaches 0. Well, let me show you the inside of it. You can use the button to stop it before the cycle ends. And that's about it.